Welcome to the Banka's Bank of the Year Awards for 2024. I'm delighted to be joined by Dalibor Čebela, who is CEO of Zagrebačka Banka, Croatia, and Amina Mahmutovic, CEO of UniCredit Bank, Bosnia Herzegovina. Welcome to you both, and congratulations on the awards.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Dalibor, can you tell us about particularly the digital highlights for the past year, which is one of the reasons why your bank has been recognized in this year's awards?
Zagrebačka Bank, as a leading bank in Croatia, last couple of years went through significant digital transformation. I would highlight three main deliveries we have had this year, 24, all related to, of course, customer experience, matching customer needs and preferences. First, everything about our mobile banking application for private individuals, which is the best rated application in the country. We brought to that application also mortgage process, investment products, but also some features like buy and pay later feature. And all is backed by so-called near real-time CRM event tools, which helps to recognize customer transactions and also preferences. This is one delivery. Second is about we were the first bank in Croatian market deliver generative voice bot based on artificial intelligence. Which is actually currently in the moment taking over 25% of calls. And the third one was a mobile banking application for so-called micro business and corporate customer, which is basically new enhanced platform which we already have had.
Fantastic. And Amina, how about yourselves with your digital transformation over the past year?
I have to say that UniCredit Bank in Bosnia Herzegovina is a leading bank, and of course, if we are the leading bank in all categories, and as well in the digital transformation. I have to also give you the highlights about my country. We are not the part of the EU, so we do not have still clear defined digital legal framework. So there is still work in front of us to do on that. But still, I have to say that digital transformation in my country is progressing. And who are the front runners? Of course, the banks, And among all these banks, the champion is, of course, UniCredit Bank Mostar, I have to say, which must be, if we take into account that as the largest bank, we have a huge responsibility toward our community and its progress. And regarding the some features that we have in this year, regarding digital transformation, I will also mention this mobile banking for the SME and micro enterprise. And also we have a lot of improvements on our mobile banking, services. And also recently we are the first bank which we have a fully online digital loan. So we are the first bank on the market. It was just recently published.
Yeah, well, very impressive achievements. Dalibor, looking forward, with the Croatian banking market, what are the main highlights for 2025 that you see are the main challenges and opportunities?
Of course, everything is linked in banking sector also to how economy is doing. And Croatia this year, and particularly this year, is doing very well. Croatia is one of the fastest growing countries in terms of economy in the European Union. And also, first time ever, we matched also all Maastricht criteria. As a consequence of that, recently, all three main rating agencies significantly upgraded our rating. So it helped a lot of the healthiness of the banking, of course, sector, which is at the moment growing in terms of assets, but also in terms of profitability. It's very well capitalized. In terms of risk profile, is stable with the NPEs and cost of risk on the historically lowest level. Plus returns on equity, which is higher than 70%, so it's pretty attractive. So altogether, this year, achievement of this year, good foundations for very positive outlook for 25.
And Amina, how about yourselves in Bosnia Herzegovina? What does the new year bring for you, you think?
If we compare everything in the country, banking industry is something what is the most stable, industry that we have, and it is also the most regulated one. As I said, we as a country are not the part of the EU, but regarding the banking industry, we are already the part of the EU, taking into account that we have fully EBA equivalence, which we got 3 years ago. In total, we have 21 banks on a really small market, I have to say. But all the banks are very well capitalized, with very, very great profitability, which will be achieved for sure in 24, and it will for sure continue in 25, taking into account the macroeconomic also outlook. You know, we are the largest bank with the market share 17.7%, and I see really a bright future also for the banking sector in 2025.
Dalibor, Amina, thank you very much indeed for your time, and many congratulations on your awards once again.
Thank you.
Thank you
Thank
very
you.
much, John.
Thank you.